Pros, how's it? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, on Tuesday with Bafana going head to head with Nigeria, we are here to make a lineup prediction. Got Coach Hugo Bros, a very unpredictable man. But last game, bros, I managed to predict his squad. I think almost seven players that were into the squad are the players that I predicted. So, bros, I really tried to do this thing. Let me know in the comments your own prediction, the scoreline prediction. You are allowed to make changes to the one that I'm gonna be making on your screen also. So bros, yeah man, we're together here in Nigeria, Bafana. We have to beat this team. You guys know this national team, for so many reasons, we have to beat them. They've knocked us out of the AFCON, I think twice in a row, 2019 and then in 2020, was it 2021 or 2022? But bro, this team has beaten us, bro. There are so many reasons to why we have to beat them. Okay, bros, we're gonna have a look at how they played against Rwanda, the lineup they played. Okay, this was the lineup they played against Rwanda. They played the 4-2-3-1. That was the formation, and I'm here for these three men. I think Osimhen, Lookman, Iwobi, and also Ndindi, bro. These guys, bros, I think these are the best players for Nigeria. Nwabali, you guys know him for playing Chipa United, but Nyamazo keeper. Okay, Osimhen, he's not gonna be available for this game. Thank God. I know I have good center backs, Mbogazi and on Okuluman and Amane, but bro, Lomjita Osimhen, very tall man. It was not gonna be a good or an easy battle between Mbogazi and Osimhen, and I'm just happy. I'm happy that this man is not gonna be playing. Look, man, I'm hoping he's gonna continue a draw pay formation. Performance yake angavuki ngathi, bro. So I'm just hoping, bro. So okay, let me not really. I came in here to look how they lined up. Okay, they played this formation, bro. You guys can see. Let's go and make our own formation. The first thing we need to do is to change the color, try and look for something that is going to accommodate South Africa. Okay, go for the same formation, because the formation will be the same, because we need the formation that is going to have three midfielders to protect that back line. It's important. We have youngsters in that back line. You guys know the Mbogazis, even though the boy is so solid, so good, they all need protection. And I like it that Hugo Bros is thinking exactly how I think, because I predicted the same lineup in that midfield. I got it right. The only player I didn't get right was Lomjita Ungezana in that back line. Okay, bros. Okay, let's begin. I think in goals, you guys know, if Ronwen Williams is fit, he doesn't have to be changed. He brings a lot leadership qualities. He's the best goalkeeper we have, and yeah, man, you know he's gonna play. Here, Mtunyelwa, I know the Kaizer Chiefs defender that got called up after Lomjita got injured to Nigo Mobi. Lomjita Tiba, Talisos Monyane. I don't think he's gonna start over Mtunyelwa. Mtunyelwa has been amazing for me, for his Sundowns, and also Bafana. That game he played very well. Mtunyelwa is good when it comes to progressing the ball, good when it comes to defending. Bro, there's no need for Mtunyelwa with Ashinjwe. Okay. Here, bro, this is where I think I will have a problem. This will be a different game. Sidlala Nigeria. In Nigeria, that is, I would say they are much better than Lesotho when it comes to attacking. So, Modiba in that game, he shined. And I think one of the reasons why he shined is because Lesotho was not that good when it comes to attacking. Umjita has a weakness as much as I think he has improved. But bro, he has a weakness here when it comes to defending or promoting, but he's not that good. He can defend at times, abe good, abe solid, but bro, when facing players that are gonna challenge him, really challenge him, you guys know, at times I'm not judging him. I'm not here to criticize the boy. I think he played very well against Lesotho, but bro, I think we have to acknowledge and try to set up the best lineup we can. I think the coach has to. I know Coach Hugo Bros is very smart, and he's gonna have that in his mind. Is this game suitable for Aubrey? That's what I'm asking, actually. Okay, bros. God, I'm gonna play him. I'm gonna give him that benefit of a doubt. I think the boy, the brother, played very well in that game. Hopefully, even in this game against Nigeria, akuzoba khona izinto ezivelayo ne. So we move on. Okay, Mbogazi, you guys know my center back will have to be Mbogazi, and then it will have to be who here. Kulumane Ndamana came on for Umoloisane, but at the same time, bro, I feel like this is a different game again. It's a game against Nigeria, a very hard side to face. Kulumane Ndamana, a very good defender. When he came on, he played very well, but at the same time, bro, we need experience when we are playing teams like in Nigeria. You need experience. Kulumane Ndamana unai experience, yes, he has been amazing for TS Galaxy, and also he plays for TS Galaxy. Yes. And then for the national team, we've seen him go under what is under 18 or 19. We've seen him, and then he got called up to the big team. We've seen him, and I think he played well last game, but the experience again, bro. I'm gonna put Ungezana. I think the coach, we're predicting here, I think the coach uzodlala Ungezana for the experience. This pairing, will it work? Bogazi and Ngezana, I think it's gonna work. Ungezana has improved a lot, bros. Okay, here you guys know we don't have to change Umbata Numkwena. This like their combination, bro. This combination, this duo, I mean, like it. How protective they are to that back line, bro, I like it. But at the same time, bro, Sidlalane Nigeria, I'm hoping the boys are not gonna be too aggressive, because in Nigeria they have tall men. So if you're gonna be too aggressive and then we are conceding set pieces, it's gonna be very hard to defend our set pieces against tall men. You guys know I'm a Nigerian, Madegunati. So Ombogazi at the back, he might be good when it comes to defending and defending 1v1s and all that. But bro, our set pieces are gonna be hard. If we concede them, if uzoshayumtu mshayele le good, in my opinion. Don't concede. Muko and Ambata, these guys can get aggressive. I like it, protecting the back line, but at the same time, bro, don't concede fouls at dangerous positions, and also maybe corner kicks. I don't want to see anything. I don't want to see any set piece for Nigeria that could be dangerous, because bro, these guys are tall. They've that advantage. They could score using Intogo. So please, as much as you have to protect this back line, bros, do it very far away from the keeper or from the 18 area. Okay, bros, we move on. Here, who should I play? Nkota. Again, bro, I have my doubts. Not because I'm doubting the boy. He played very well against Lesotho, but this is a different game, bro. This is Nigeria. I don't think he's gonna have that freedom he had. But yeah, these are the games he has to show. World class back, hard games, difficult games. He has to step up in difficult games, be that guy to carry us. Will he do that? But I think it's gonna be a hard game for him. I don't know if I should play Usbelebele, even though he's still a youngin, but at the same time, he also offers a lot of defensive duties, in my opinion, Usbelebele, since he's a wing back. He's not really a striker like that. He's a wing back. He can so against Nigeria, he'll be attacking Nigeria. So Usbelebele, I think if the coach were to put him, it would be based on those terms. He offers a lot of defensive work more than Nkota. But we need goals. We can't defend the Singapore. So in the first half, I'm thinking I should start Nkota and see Ugutumjita also step up, and even though it's gonna be a hard game, it's not gonna be an easy game. So I'm letting you guys know this because I need you to know what to expect. Okay, here you guys know. Who should it be? Apollos, I don't have to change him. He has been amazing. He has the experience. He's the guy who has been performing for Bafana. And in the last step against Lesotho, I'm hoping Guti uzoqhubeka even do better against Nigeria, bro. I need him to step up in this game with Apollos. Same way he stepped up against Lesotho, that I would say they were a weaker side compared to Bafana, and they are a weaker side compared to Nigeria. So I need Apollos to step up in big games like this one. These are the games he has to step up in. Okay, bros. Here, I was gonna play Urele if it was any team, in my opinion. I was gonna play Urele. I think Urele, as much as his best position is this one, but bro, since kungekho uMaswanganye, kungekho uThemba Zwane, Urele can step into that role, even though Sipombole at times, okay, I should say he's the one who has been called up to fill up that place. I feel like Umufukeng can also offer us something. Bule, why am I doubting him? He didn't really have a perfect or that much good of a game, in my opinion, against Lesotho. So now we are playing in Nigeria, a harder team. Will he be able to shine? But yeah, he has the body, he's tall, he's a bit bigger. So in that midfield, since it's Nigerians, I think his physique is needed there. I'm hoping Umjita Uzo performer. So if I were to play Umufukeng, I wouldn't play Umufukeng against Nigeria. So Nigeria, I think they could bully Umufukeng. They are tall. I know the boy is smart, very technically gifted, but at the same time, bro, this game I wouldn't play him as an attacking. I would play him at his best position. So I'm putting in Umbule again. Sipho Mbule. I'm hoping Umjita will step up. The performance I saw against Ilento in Nigeria, Lesotho, I mean, I hope Uzo to kupula kancane. He played well, but funa to kupula kancane. Okay, up front, Foster, I think he did very well against Lesotho. I don't know if South African players shined because it was Lesotho or it's because we are good. I think this game against Nigeria will be a test. This is shiny because we're playing against Lesotho, or is it because we are good? I'm hoping, bro. This Nigerian team, bro, they always find a way to beat us. I'm hoping that's not gonna be the case in this game, bro. So this is my lineup, bro. This is my starting lineup. Not too many changes, but I think the coach Hugo Bros could surprise us, bro. On Motiba, and then who else? And on Unkota, I think he could surprise us. But bro, since the boys did very well in the last game, I'm gonna give them a benefit of a doubt. I'm gonna play this formation, in my opinion. Williams in goals, Mtunyelo right back, left back Motiba Mbogazi, center back, okay, and Gezana. This is the back line, and then Umbata Mukwena. I don't think the coach is gonna change this one, bro. This duo was amazing that game. And then Gota, right wing, left wing, Apolis, attacking mid, Umbule, Foster up front. This is the formation, my formation. Let me know in the comments what you think. Drop your own formation, or can you make changes to the one that I just made on your screen. Bros, my prediction for the game, I think Bafana gonna win by 1-0. Yes, we scored 3 goals against Lesotho, but bro, this is a different type of a game. Silana in Nigeria, and it's not gonna be an easy game. So I'm going for a 1-0 win for Bafana. Drop your own lineup prediction and also scoreline prediction in the comments. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.